Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix auto brightness problems on Motorola Edge 70. First, go into the settings, then scroll into the display and disable the adaptive brightness. Then go into search settings and type in update. Go into system updates and check for updates. As you can see, everything looks good right now, so I got it. If the system for you found any updates, then just download it. Then go into display once again. And now change manually brightness. Then enable the adaptive brightness once again. And as you can see, it works. We can try once again to set the brightness on the full, disable any lights, and enable adaptive brightness. As you can see, it worked too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.